Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Jenny. I make fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos every single week here on my channel. And today is Walmart Wednesday and a little announcement. So when you are seeing this, I have just recently had surgery, and so the videos from now forward for a couple of weeks are pre-filmed. So I'm letting you know that, because if things are out of stock or the color is off or whatever, it's because I filmed all of these. I pre-filmed them. I did my best. I hope that they are a blessing to you and that you enjoy them, but that may be a reason why everything isn't the way we want it to be. So, okay, a couple of things. Everything is linked down below in the description box, easily shoppable for you, so you can shop all of these Walmart finds there. And also follow me over on my social media channels. I will still be posting all throughout my recovery, so check that out over on Instagram, Like to Know It, and also on Facebook. Also, stay tuned to the end of this video to see why this is my favorite find from this haul. And I hope you guys really enjoy it. I will still be interacting with you in the comments, so let's get into it. Okay. This little dress is by Time & Tru, and I have several things I love about this dress. So first of all, I love this corally color. I feel like the coral this year leans a little more pink than normal, and I love that. And this one is so beautiful. The quality is really high on this one. It is by Time & Tru, but I think the quality feels really high above the price tag. And I also love the dainty floral pattern of this. Look how beautiful that is, you guys. I just think it's gorgeous and feminine and dainty, and I love it. And I also really, really love, let me show you the back. It has this beautiful like tie detail on the back. I am wearing a strapless bra with it. It fits true to size, I would say. And I have to say, you guys, this one is so beautiful. This one's a winner. Oh, it also comes in like a tan. So if you are not this pasty white, that one might be an option for you. Those kind of colors just make me look like I'm not wearing clothes. So anyway, I wanted to point that out because that might be a great color as well. Okay, so this is super fun and outside my comfort zone, but Free Assembly came out with this little set. They don't come together, they come separately, which I'm going to show you how I would style these separately. But like, it's this little skirt. I'm in a small here, and the skirt does have like a lining underneath, obviously shorter than the actual skirt. And then this top, which doesn't have a lining, I'm just wearing a nude bra with it, and you can't really tell, but you could definitely put like a tank underneath this. I do love the sweater tank look for the summer. This one's nice because it has a thicker strap. You could wear this over a swimsuit with denim shorts. I think would be super adorable. And then this skirt could go over a swimsuit as well, or you could wear this one with a t-shirt or whatever. These are so cute. They're really cute little separates. They do come in like, I think, a blue stripe and some other colors and styles, but I really, really like this. I'm in a small in both pieces, and I think they are both so cute. Let me show you how I would style them separately. Okay, so here's how I would style this skirt. This is a little tank top from The Drop from Amazon, which I have an Amazon video coming, or it's already out, I'm not sure, with this tank in it. I'm in a medium in this tank just so that it's not like overly tight, but I think that a small might have been better because this kind of gaps a little bit. But this tank is so cute for summer. I love the rib detail, but it goes really well with this skirt. But you could also just wear a t-shirt with it, wear it over your swimsuit, whatever. Such a cute little skirt. This one I'm a huge fan of. I would get your regular size in it. Okay, and here's how I would maybe wear this not with the skirt. So this I just threw over a Walmart swimsuit, which I should have a Walmart swimsuit haul coming soon. And then I paired it with these denim shorts by Free Assembly, and this is such a cute little beach outfit. You can just head to the beach and you'll look adorable. You can walk around shopping and stuff and still look put together. So super cute, and I love this entire set. Okay, now here is a dress that is the version of that set, but this is in dress version. I will say I got a medium, and I don't know why I ever do that anymore in Free Assembly, but it's too big. I was afraid it was going to be tight, I think, and so I sized up. Get your regular size in this. I think it will be very flattering because it is double lined, so it has a lining which like gives you a little bit more room for it being fitted here in the waist. This is really beautiful, perfect for like summer vacation, for date night, you know, beach bar, whatever. This is so adorable and so pretty, and I wore it with these, but you could definitely wear it with flats and make it casual, wear it over a swimsuit, whatever. It's really, really cute. This one I think is a winner, you guys. I think this one might come in a couple of other colors as well. Don't size up in this one, just get your regular size. Okay, you guys, I love this dress. I'm so excited about this dress. It's not gonna be for everyone, but these colors are so fun for summer. I love the length. This is fun to throw over a swimsuit or whatever. Take a walk with your kids. Like, how fun is this little t-shirt dress? And I just threw my little denim jacket over it, but let me show you what it looks like without that. This is what the dress looks like. You could just wear your denim jacket over it. I just think this is darling, you guys. I think it's so fun. I think it's pretty, and I really, really like it. So I'm in a small in this one, and I probably did that just so it wouldn't be tight like here on the waist, which I like the feel of it. You can like pull it up and tie it in a knot, which is something you could do to make it like not quite as bag-like. You could wear this one with a little belt. Hang on, I have a little belt. So this is just a little stretchy belt from Temu. You could belt it. You can wear it normally. These are super easy to take off if you don't want them. And all in all, I think this is so fun. I love it. This is super cute, and I recommend it. I think it does come in other colors and patterns, but this is adorable, and I have these little Time and True shoes along with it. So okay, so these shorts, this shirt is from Target. I will link it, but these shorts are supposed to be a look for less for some shorts from Aerie. They are like a moisture wicking. It says they're a moisture wicking material. I love the color. I got it in 3 different colors. I will show them. They are buttery soft, super soft shorts. Like, I cannot say enough how comfortable these are. They are a little bit short for me. Anything that's wider that could like blow up and show my booty, you know, I like to be a little bit longer, but these are really comfortable, perfect for wearing around the house, but even wearing out over a swimsuit, go running in them, like whatever you want to do. These are so comfortable, and I do love this color. I cannot stress enough the comfortability of these. They are amazing. Let me show you the other colors I got. Okay, and here they are in this pinky purple color, which we know that I love because I have shorts in this color. The more I wear them, the more I love them. So I don't know what to tell you. You maybe need these in your life. I don't know your life, but these are really comfortable, and I do love the moisture wicking. I got one more color. It's black. Let me show that to you. Okay, yeah. I think these shorts are $8, and I'm telling you, the more you wear them, the more you will love them. So yeah, these are amazing. All right, you guys, that was Walmart Wednesday for this week. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching, liking, subscribing. You guys are the best, and I will see you in my next video.